Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here diol is given with butane. You have to find whether the given conformation is stable or not. Usually stability order of the conformation will be anti, Gauche and Eclipsed, but here Gauche form is stable. The surprise comes from the fact that hydrogen bonding stabilizes the Gauche form. What really it's doing is the OH are electronegative, the oxygens are electronegative, it has extra stability through that. So the hydrogen bond promotes the stability there. The interaction stabilizes the form, not the steric effect. So the given conformation is stable. The concept you have to learn here is usually anti form is stable, but in dihydroxy compound, Gauche form is stable. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.